Hello everyone, this is Sabrina with Shenzhen LongRun Operator Electronic Company. We are at InfoComm 2026 Las Vegas. Our booth number is C9665. With me today is our rental type cabinet. We have different designs, like here is the over edge panel. And here is our curve lock with the COB technology. You can see the details. Here is the flexible one. Here's our flat screen. So different type of the screen, you can make the different shapes. Like here is a cube shape. And you match all different type, you could make a big oval shape like this. So all this our design could make a really special screen like this big screen. We also have a new product. This is the outdoor COB for rental. It's a carbon fiber design. It's only 3.5 kilograms for one panel, so it's very light. And the air lighting could go through this. It's waterproof. It's so lighting, you see. For this, the smaller pitch we could do is 1.9 outdoor COB for rental. If you're interested in our products, please visit our website www.longrunld.com. Thank you.